Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. This is video number 7 on angles. We have seen in the previous videos, link you can find below, the angles in parallel line, in triangle and quadrilateral. So now here is the test of our understanding. So in picture 1, diagram 1, if I see this one, okay, I have to find out the value of x. Now what information is given to me here? Okay, focus is on this diagram right now. Number one information we have, there are two parallel lines. Okay, you can see this line ABC and DEFG. These are parallel lines. Now if I look at this line straight away from here, right, this is a transversal. And we know from parallel line property that if we have Z shape in parallel line, then we can apply here alternative angle. So it means this is also x. Now the next information we have here is these lines. These are equal. It means line EF and EB is equal. It is an isosceles triangle, which means angle opposite to them are equal. So if I know that this x, which is at F, is x because of this Z, then this is also x because of isosceles triangle. So now if I know that two angles are x and it is an isosceles triangle, then I can easily find out them. You know why? Because this is your straight line. DEF is this is your straight line. It is 180 degree. We know angle on a straight line is 180 degree. It means to find out this angle, I just have to do 180 minus 134. Agreed? So that will give me 46. Now in a triangle EFB or EBF, I have one angle 46 and other two are x. And the third property, angle sum in a triangle is equals to 180. Interior angles in a triangle, if you add up, it is equals to 180. So it means 2x is equals to 180 minus 46. So you can easily find out what is 180 minus 46. If you can do it mentally, fine. Otherwise you can calculate it. It is 134, right? Sorry, this is 2x, my mistake. So 2x is equals to 134. So now x is equals to 134 divided by 2. I hope you know short division. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 will come here, 2 7s are 14. So x is 64. So in this one, question number 1, diagram 1, we have applied parallel line property, which is what? Yes, alternative angle, then angle on a straight line here, then isosceles triangle property, and sum of the angles in a triangle. So 4 properties we have applied. Let's see question number, diagram number 2 now, this one. So you have to find out x, which is here. So let's see what information is given to us here. Again, parallel line is here. So this line is a transversal because it is cutting straight. So this angle is equals to this angle because we know in a parallel line, if we have a transversal, then F is corresponding angle. Remember we studied before, F is corresponding angle and they are equal. That's why this angle is 77. Now how do you write it? It is very important. So you can say ADC is equals to 77 and in the bracket corresponding angle. So you have to tell the reason why you are writing it. So, and I told you in the previous video, how do we write? ADC mean I'm talking about this angle. Okay. Now, this angle I also know. What is the reason? This line and this line. It is forming X. and this is vertically opposite angle. So this is 48. So you can say ACD, right? ACD is equals to 48, and reason, vertically opposite angle. So you are telling the reason why you are saying what is what. Now in the triangle ACD, this one, I know all three angles, X, 48 and 77. So I can write here X plus 48 plus 77 equals to 180. Right, sum of the triangle. And then you just solve it, you know this. 180 minus sum of 77 and 48 is what? 125. 180 minus 125. So this is how you will find out the value of X. Now let's see this question. Again, if you see there is a pair of parallel lines, you have to look at the diagram closely and try to recall all the properties. So now if I have to find out X, I can find out easily if I know this angle. Why? Because it is a straight line. So if I know this angle, I will minus it from 180 and I will get X, right? So how can we find this angle? This is my focus. Now this is an isosceles triangle because these lines are equal. It means this angle, let me call it A and let me call it A, they are equal, okay? Because of isosceles triangle. What other information do I have here? I have to see closely. If I see this line and this line is parallel, so this is a transversal, okay? So now if you see, this is forming Z here, yes or no? It means this A is 76 degree, right? Because it is forming Z, and Z makes which angle? Alternate angle. So you can write here, because we have to write names properly. Just a minute, let me clean this picture a bit. So I can say that BDE. I can say BDE, right? It means I'm talking about this angle. BDE is equals to 76, and I will write here alternate angle. Alternate angles. And after that, this angle is also 76, which is DBE, right? So I can say, or if you want to write here EBD, you can write that also. Center should be B because I'm talking about this angle, right? So it is from here, here. Okay, so this is also 76, and reason is isosceles triangle. You have to tell this, okay? Now, let me call this, for example, T. So I can say T plus 76 equals to 180, right? So 180 minus 152. So 28. So you got your T 28, but you have to find out X. X is equals to what? 180 minus 28. 152. Now here I will help you to recall one more thing, which is the exterior angle of a triangle. We studied this property. And what does it mean? If I don't write this here and I just look at the diagram, oh God, BDE, okay, this was X and this is your A and A. So this X is equals to this. Remember we studied before exterior angle of a triangle. So you can also do it 76 plus 76 equals to 152. Then you will not need to do this extra step here all. But if somebody do it like this, that is also not wrong. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.